Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you guys how to apply your wigs when the lace have already been cut. So sometimes this can be a little difficult. You just got to take your time and take the right and proper steps. And showing you guys this is how the hair looked before I got started. And then yes, honey, we laid and melt that lace down. Okay, so here I'm starting off with the freshly washed wig. I like to let my wigs air dry after I shampoo and condition them. So I just lay them out on the floor for like 3 days, let them air dry so that I can get like a really nice fluffy texture with the natural state of the hair. So because this is a used wig, I do have like a little glue residue on my lace. So what I do is just take my blow dryer and blow dry it till it kind of like burns my hand a little bit, and then stop, because you want it to be hot enough to take the glue off, but you don't want it to be hot enough to burn the lace, because you can like burn right through your lace. Okay, so keep that in mind. So here I just put the wig back on my head, and I'm going to just go ahead and blow dry it, because I want to wear this hair straightened. If you wanted to wear it in the natural state or curl it, whatever, you can, definitely do that. But I also want to blow dry it to kind of like tame the wig, kind of like just get it to calm down. It's like all over the place right now. So I'm blow drying it. Or if this was a curly wig or a wig I just wanted to just put on my head and just go, I would just pull the top section back with some clips so that I can get the hair and like all of the flyaways out of the way. But right now I'm just blow drying it and showing you guys the texture so we can move on to the next step, which is hot combing. You guys, get you a hot comb. I don't care if it's the one you plug in the wall. I don't care if it's the one that I have where you have to actually put it in the stove. Get your hot comb set. They are really affordable, like less than $20, less than $10 for real at the hair store. So go get you one. And try to get all of your baby hair back. I should have put it on like a mannequin head or something to make sure all my baby hair was back, but I still made it work. So it doesn't all have to be perfectly back. Now I'm just taking some of this powder to just kind of like, to try to like highlight where the lace ends. That way I will know how far down to bring my glue so that I won't have extra leftover glue, because then it just be shiny or turn into like rubber or like rubbly balls like that next. Okay, so right here on the left side I have on a cap. This is where if you want your wig to last longer, you can actually put the glue on the cap as well as your skin. So that way it's going to last like a week or two. Versus how I'm doing over here on the right hand side, I just put it right in front of my hairline because I didn't put on a cap, so I don't have protection over my edges. So this way is probably going to last me like 4, maybe 5 days, but no longer than a week. And or of course, if you do not like to use any type of glue or adhesive, you can definitely use freeze spray by Got to Be Glued or the Got to Be Glued gel for a more temporary hold for about a day or two. So now that I have my lace laid down, I will take a wrap scarf and wrap it around my edges. And before I do that, I will add some setting lotion, foam lotion, whatever you have on you to get it really flat. And then once I have my scarf tied down, I will blow dry it. I've noticed it does wonders if I do it overnight and just sleep on it and then style it the next day. But just sit it there, blow dry it for a good little while. Make sure you actually have time to melt your lace. I guess blow dry it like 10 minutes or let it sit for like an hour. And now time for the baby hair. And here I'm using the Got to Be Glue spray. You can use that and it's going to give you like a more of a better hold, not too fluffy. However, lately I've been doing my baby hair with like setting lotion or foaming lotion, something like that, so it can be not as like molded down and be more fluffy. But because I did use the holding spray, I did go back later on and combed out my baby hair so they won't be like so stuck down to my head and be like a little bit more fluffy. So now I'm taking my hot comb and hot combing my part over, getting everything sleek and laid back, honey. Okay, here I'm just taking my flat irons, which these broke. I dropped them and they like cracked. I'm so upset. But they're by Ion. They were like really good. They were like $80. And I'm chasing it with like this brush that I got from Amazon, this flat iron brush. and just doing that and using my Amber J wax stick in between to get everything a little sleeker and smoother. Okay, now I'm going to tie it down one more time, and this is just to get everything flat after I have flat ironed it, like just to get it even flatter, girl. And I'm also just taking my hot comb and actually doing little sections at the top to get my swoop flat. And here I kind of over bleach my knots, so I'm just taking some black powder eyeshadow and putting it on that part too. Now for the last time, go ahead and reveal that melt, honey. Okay, so this came out really good and really cute. So all you have to do is take your time to take the proper steps and hot comb your lace and straighten it all out so that you can get everything nice and neat for your second, third, fourth, whatever number install you're on for that wig. Okay, girl? And that's all for this video. You guys definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this install. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.